To download Google Maps on the iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max, first of all, we need to go to the App Store, which you can find on the home screen, at least by default, or you can go to the App Library and look for the App Store over here. In the bottom right corner, we need to tap on the search button, then we can use the search bar at the bottom, and we can write Google Maps. You might be able to use suggestions over here in order to quickly choose the search that you are going for, and then we can find the Google Maps app over here. You can tap on this icon with the cloud and an arrow in order to immediately start downloading, or you can tap on the name and then use the same icon over here right next to the logo. Now we need to wait for the app to be installed on our iPhone, but once it is done, you should be able to open it from the App Store by using an open button that will be over here. You can also find the app, perhaps you can find it in the home screen if it's automatically added over there, but you can also definitely find it in the app library. And that's pretty much it. Let me actually try to find it. There we go. Over here we have Google Maps. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.